Let's go to my favorite little off-road area. Hoppa! Ah, definitely a lot more snow here. Whew. Yep, so, oh yeah, ice, lots of ice, damn, yeah. Gotta stay upright as much as possible. You definitely don't want to lean too much one side or the other. If you have to lean in a turn, try to only do it in your upper body, while the rest of your body, the lower part, tries to stay upright as much as possible. This is literally all ice. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay. Okay. Oh, fuck! That's crazy! I did not fall in. It's slush. What is my problem? Why am I doing this today?